Oliver. Abrimos la ventana. Hey, vámonos. Okay. ¡Tía Delta!
Buenos días.
You know, I was raised by a single Mexican mama who is a force of nature. She worked all day long, 12-hour shifts. She was a nurse. And we just didn't really eat together. And it was this void that I had.
Yay! Super.
So my aunt, Tía Delta, she kind of took me in and to help my mom and was just such a motherly figure for me. And she would make the most elaborate meals I had ever had. I mean, I'm talking about like carne asada at 8 a.m. She really kind of came in guns blazing and was just like, I am going to take care of you and nurture you. And she showed me how she did all of it. Y la otra carne todavía no, ¿verdad?
No, todavía no. Unos 10 minutos.
Ok, perfecto.
So whose recipe is this?
This is my aunt's. It's one of Nico's favorites. He loves it.
Es de abuelita.
¿Es de abuelita? Bueno, pero tú la haces ahora. I think women are at the heartbeat of the kitchen in so many ways, and definitely at the crux of like keeping a lot of those traditions alive. Like if my aunt wasn't over here showing me how to make the soup, showing me how to make salsas, I wouldn't have learned all those things. ¿Y cuánto cilantro?
Eso que tienes en la mano.
Cilantro. And when I was in Mexico, it was my abuelita that was in the kitchen with me, showing me how to make tamales and telling me what to do and how to put it together. So I have this like combination of those women in my life all the time. Like my whole kind of like journey in life has just been about saying yes and then figure out the rest later. And I feel like I got that from my grandma.
Hacía años que no hacía una tortilla.
The caldo is a beautiful thing because every time you make it, it evolves and shifts and adapts. But it's just about look around and see what you have and don't worry about what you don't have and make it work. Hola, tía. This caldo is like love, it's nourishment, it's coziness, it's warmth, it brings people together. It's just this like energy combiner somehow. Like you put it in on the table and people come. It's like a magnet for human interaction.
Oh wow.
Super rico. Oh my god.
That's good.